Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ClickUp docs and spaces to local files, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup ClickUp docs and spaces to local files, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the workspace that contains the docs or spaces you want to backup. For backing up docs, locate the specific document you wish to save. Open the document by clicking on its title. Once the document is open, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner. Click on the three dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Export. You will see different file format options such as PDF or Markdown. Choose your preferred file format and click on it to start the export process. Your document will be prepared for download. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click the link to download the document to your local files. After downloading, check your Downloads folder to ensure the file is saved correctly. Now, for backing up entire spaces, go back to your ClickUp dashboard. Locate the space you want to backup in the sidebar. Click on the space to open it. Similar to the docs, look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of the space view. Click on the three dots to open the Options menu. Select Export Space from the list. You may have the option to export as a CSV or a specific format based on what contents you want. Select your desired format and start the export. Your space will also be processed for download. Wait for the export to finish, then download the file provided. Check your Downloads folder for the backup of your entire space. To conclude, remember to organize your backups in a way that makes them easy to access. Regular backups ensure you never lose important information from ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.